There's been a lot of talk about AI progress slowing down, it just being a bubble and basically all hype. Many people are saying AI is simply a glorified autocorrect and word prediction style system. The gist being AI progress won't last, general intelligence will not occur, and that AI systems cannot be used in any significant way because they are not accurate enough. So this video aims to answer these suggestions. Is AI BS, or are we still moving towards something special? Is the AI revolution slowing down, or are we just at the beginning of something much bigger? Now, over the past decade, we've witnessed AI make incredible strides, from DeepMind's AlphaGo defeating world champions in the complex game of Go to GPT models revolutionizing natural language processing. AI has been on a roll. But it's not just about games and language. AI is transforming industries across the board. In healthcare, AI algorithms are assisting in early decision detection. In finance, AI-powered systems are detecting fraud and optimizing investments. And in manufacturing, AI is enhancing automation and predictive maintenance. So, what do experts say about AI's future? According to a survey by Our World in Data, many AI researchers believe we could achieve human-level AI within the next few decades. Some optimists even predict it could happen much sooner. For enthusiasts like me, this is a non-answer. I do not doubt we will reach AGI in a few decades, but I am more interested in reaching AGI in a few years, and I'm sure many of you feel the same way. Jamie Sevilla, a prominent AI researcher, predicts that AI progress will continue at breakneck speed for at least the next few years. This optimism is based on three key factors: increasing computational power, growing datasets, and continuous improvements in algorithms. And I quote, "And I think that right now, my take is that the time between AI that can perform like 20% of the economic tasks and 100% of the economic tasks remotely, economic tasks probably is going to be like somewhere between 5 years and 10 years will be my guess. At this point, I definitely haven't rolled out faster takeoffs, but that's what I have in mind now." So, that's what he had to say. However, not everyone shares this optimistic view. There's a growing perception in many circles that AI progress might be slowing down, but why are people thinking this way? On platforms like Hacker News, some tech enthusiasts argue that the visible pace of AI progress has decreased compared to previous years. They suggest that companies might be hiding their advancements to maintain a competitive edge, or that the focus has shifted from groundbreaking discoveries to refining existing technologies. This perception of slowing progress leads us to another hot topic. Is AI in a bubble? Some prominent figures certainly think it is. Cory Doctorow, a well-known author and tech commentator, draws parallels between the current AI hype and previous tech bubbles like the dot-com era. He argues that the high costs and diminishing returns of scaling deep learning models could lead to a plateau in AI progress. He indeed draws parallels between the current AI hype and previous tech bubbles, particularly the dot-com bubble, like I just mentioned, and he just argues that there's all the hallmarks of a classic tech bubble. Unlike other tech bubbles, this is characterized by sky-high expectations and lofty promises that contrast sharply with reality. He points out the immense costs involved in keeping large language models like OpenAI's GPT running, which requires significant capital investment under the assumption that the technology will eventually become self-sustaining. Now, he highlights the limitations of AI, such as the tendency to hallucinate facts, which undermines their utility. He doesn't explicitly mention diminishing returns in scaling deep learning models, leading to a plateau in AI progress in the provided search results. He does express skepticism, however, about the sustainability of the AI business model and its potential to deliver value. He argues that the AI bubble, despite, in his opinion, being full of fraud, and other than it just being opinion, let's be honest, it probably is the case, it might leave behind some valuable elements for future technological progress, unlike other recent bubbles such as cryptocurrency and NFTs. And he emphasizes the importance of focusing on what would be left behind after the AI bubble bursts, rather than getting distracted by current debates over AI safety and ethics. Now, similarly, a market commentator, Bill Blaine, compares that the current AI boom to the dot-com bubble of the early 2000s, warning about excessive enthusiasm and potential unrealistic valuations in the AI sector. Blaine argues that the AI market displays, once again, like Doctorow, classic signs of a tech bubble, including widespread hype, belief in a transformative theme, and significant investment despite limited tangible content. Again, he draws parallels to the dot-com era, where similar patterns led to a market collapse when venture capital dried up. He argues that while some companies may benefit from the AI trend, others might be overvalued, leading to potential market corrections. Now, let's be real, development does face challenges. It's got technical challenges. Achieving artificial general intelligence or solving complex problems like common sense reasoning still is a significant hurdle, and it also has resource limitation issues. The environmental impact of training large AI models is a growing concern that, let's be honest, it needs to be addressed. But the main arguments for why some people believe AI might be in a bubble is because of there's a huge hype cycle at the moment. There's concern that AI is currently already at the peak of inflated expectations in the Gartner hype cycle. There's high cost, enormous computational resources required for training these large AI models. It's just becoming more expensive, believe it or not, when it was supposed to go the other way around. There's diminishing returns. Some argue that simply scaling up existing models might not lead to proportional improvements in performance. There's tons of overvaluations. There's worry that AI-related stock might be overvalued, similar to what happened during the dot-com bubble. And there's technological limitations. There's currently AI still struggles with tasks that humans find simple, like just common sense reasoning. But are all of the points I just mentioned insurmountable? I don't believe they are. What are we really saying when we are considering a hype cycle? A hype cycle is pretty normal. Whenever new innovations are created, people are excited, they dream about endless possibilities. It's only natural that some of those dreams will not come into fruition quickly. However, it doesn't mean the technology cannot continue to develop. The hype cycle shows a peak of inflated expectations and then a trough of disillusionment. Fair enough. But after the disillusionment period, there's progress again, which is the slope of enlightenment. Are the naysayers really saying we have gone past the slope of enlightenment and reached a plateau of productivity? If so, I don't believe this to be true. We are by no means in enlightenment period, and to suggest that the AI technology has no further breakthroughs or developments is, to me, insane. The graph itself shows us a brighter future to come, and the plateau of productivity may be all we actually require, and that represents a period beyond AGI, and more like ASI, which is more than good enough for us. I mean, on another note, costs are undoubtedly increasing. However, the effect of market forces should decrease over time, especially with the advent of AI breakthroughs, shifting supply curve to the right and lowering costs. We accept that scale might not increase AI robustness, but AI breakthroughs are the key. Innovation is the key. But with the assistance of AI to reach breakthroughs, the ability to reach the breakthroughs become easier. Now, I would say AI is not just a bubble. I mean, there's long-term value. AI is indeed delivering tangible benefits across various sectors, changing the nature of work and improving efficiency. According to Bailey Gifford, AI has the potential to create long-term value by making it easier and cheaper for companies to bring new products to market and improve on their current efforts. I mean, we've seen improvements already in healthcare. Companies like Recursion Pharmaceuticals and Accenture are using AI to write economics of drug discovery. Everyone knows about in education, things like Duolingo, GPT-4, how it's helping people to learn foreign language skills, and tons of other things. We all know about Coursera. They've developed their AI-powered tools which help educators structure new classes. And on another note, we've got sustainable business models. While the search results don't directly compare current AI companies' financials to those during the dot-com bubble, they do highlight the potential for sustainable business models. The AXA IM article notes that technology stocks, particularly those involving AI, are dominating equity markets again. You've got companies like Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, Apple and Google. They've seen their share price soar, indicating strong financial performance. And additionally, the AI market is forecast to grow from its current value of about 100 billion to nearly 2 trillion, within the next 6 years, which is nothing. It's not a long time from now at all. And then we've got solid technological foundation. The notion of capturing intelligence in a machine has been around since the 1800s, with progress passing through vacuum tubes, silicon circuits, and the internet. This suggests a long-standing technological foundation for AI development. We've got market differentiation, and then we've just got the broader impact of AI. I mean, this article itself, it shows that AI has the potential to transform various sectors, including healthcare, education, movie making, video game creation, automated transport, and smart energy grids. This is a lot of different areas. There's an article from E&Y which discusses how AI can help to measure long-term value beyond pure financial metrics, potentially transforming how companies demonstrate their value creation. There's another article here from LinkedIn which highlights AI's role in driving all sectors towards a more sustainable, efficient, and intelligent future. So what does the future hold for AI progress? While it's true that we might see some market corrections and periods of slower visible progress, the underlying factors driving AI development are strong. There's no doubt about it. And the computational power continues to grow with new AI specific hardware being developed. The amount of data available for training AI systems is also expanding. And you remember, if we a lot of these systems are using the data off the internet, and a lot of the data has been used. Let's say it's all used. Well, we've got the advent of synthetic data where we can create new data, and the quality of that new synthetic data is also improving. So I don't know if it's necessarily a worry that we're going to run out of data. It's expanding. And researchers are constantly working on new algorithms and architectures to improve the AI capabilities. And that area there is where the breakthroughs will come. So scaling doesn't have to be the be all and end all of seeing breakthroughs. There's actual innovation going on. Anyway, moreover, AI is becoming increasingly integrated into various aspects of our lives and businesses. This practical application drives further innovation and investment in the field. So, is AI progress slowing down? While there might be periods of apparent slowdown or market corrections, the fundamental drivers of the AI progress remain strong. The technology continues to advance, albeit sometimes in less visible ways. Focusing on practical applications and the refinement of existing models is happening. And it's crucial to separate the hype from the reality. While we should be cautious about overinflated expectations, it's equally important not to underestimate the long-term potential of AI. The AI revolution is not slowing down, it's evolving, maturing, and becoming an integral part of our technology landscape. So thank you for joining me on this exploration of AI's progress. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech deep dives. Until next time, see you later.